Hi, welcome to Noldus Tools for Translational Science. My name is Niek. I'm the product manager for the human market. We and Noldus, we develop software applications and hardware and devices for you to use in an integrated system. Noldus software and hardware is integrated in a complete behavioral lab, including computers, video and audio, eye tracking systems, and biophysiology. For that, there's also a great amount of training available and consultancy. Once every 2 years, you can find us at the Measuring Behavior Conference. So integrating multiple data streams, how do we do that? We use the software called the Observer XT for that. The Observer XT works like a funnel. You put in the various parts into it, like for instance video from MediaRecorder or Viso, or facial expressions from FaceReader, or an eye tracker, or biophysiology data from, for instance, Biopack Acknowledge. One of the tools that I just mentioned is MediaRecorder, also produced and sold by Noldus. MediaRecorder is a very easy to use audio-video solution. Just one click on the button, offers a broad variety and range of cameras. If you want a little bit more, for instance, if you want to have more cameras in multiple rooms and you want to have also annotation, then Viso is the product of choice. Easy to record and a very easy to use user interface. I already mentioned facial expressions, and FaceReader is the automatic analysis tool for emotions. It is based on the facial action coding scheme made by Paul Ekman in the 70s and 80s of the last century, and is a very reliable and often validated software tool. Besides emotions and facial expressions, also the gaze direction and the head direction orientation can be measured with FaceReader. And what's more, even heart rate data can be derived from the video. So why is FaceReader your choice? Well, you can analyze your data immediately. It saves an enormous amount of cost because you don't have to annotate that manually anymore. And all the data is displayed on screen while you're recording. Bringing that data of FaceReader and the video, etc., together, we use the Observer XT. I mentioned that before. You integrate and synchronize multiple data streams. The synchronization, the time synchronization, is very important because you don't want to have a couple of minutes behind between various tools. The Observer XT is very smart on that. But besides that, visualize and present the data is very easy with the Observer XT. And you can code while you're at it. This is an example of how to visualize the data. On one side you see the videos, and on the other side you can show the data streams. For instance, events or EDA or GSR, galvanic skin response. So how does it benefit you? Well, like I said before, multiple data streams can be easily integrated into the Observer. It's a very powerful tool for manual coding, and your data is always accessible, from raw to derived data. So why use the Observer XT? Well, Noldus spans globally. We have more than 30 years of experience and more than 20,000 users. 14,000 and more peer-reviewed publications are with the Observer XT, making this indeed the golden standard for your work. Do you want to know more? Contact us on this toll-free number in North America, or just email or visit our website. Thank you very much.